All right, so we have the hood popped. And so this vehicle here is a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. Now it's this headlight here, the driver's side, that we're gonna have to get into. So these are 10 mil. They're probably not gonna be very tight. And when you're taking things apart, well, crap. So those are things that happen too. You're gonna lose things. I see it right there. It's right down there. Don't get frustrated. You're gonna be able to get it. But actually a magnet tool is really nice to have. I don't have one of those, but I'm now gonna plan to get one. So we're gonna take off these bolts and put them somewhere safe, okay? So for me, I'm gonna put them on my tool bench for now. Okay. Looks like now we gotta do this one. And from what I was reading, it is a 12 mil. All right, so this is a 12. Okay, now by rights, I think we should be able to. Voila. So now from what I understand, this is in here. We flip it around. From what I understand, it's this one right here. Let's try this around. It's this one right here that's the high beam. Okay. So we're going to move that counterclockwise. We're going to pop it out. And you see, it's got a connector on it as well. So we're going to remove that. And just trying to figure out how to get in there. Looks like there's like a retainer clip. So we just push that down and pulled it. And voila. So now, okay, so very carefully sneak this in here. Got it in there. All right. So now we're gonna push this back in there. Take this on and put our dust cover back in. There we go. And we're going to righty-tighty. It's just one turn and she closes. Now we're going to put this headlight assembly back in and test it out. Such an ugly shape. But two. Plug in the electrical connector. So I'm not even gonna edit that out because it's important. Like, people who do this make the same types of little blips. And that is how you change a high beam headlight
in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. If I can do it, so can you.